factory service manual for models 2014 to 2017. And this is the complete manual. This covers everything that the factory covers. So this is the factory manual. It covers maintenance, preparation, charging, cooling system. It also covers automatic transmissions. Let's see, brake control, service specifications. So emission controls, cooling, charging, all the specifications for the suspension, audio, visual. Let's see, I was trying to find the wiring diagrams. Here we go. Theft warning, theft detergent. So this does have all of the wiring diagrams also for the Tundra. And you can also print. Just click the print button up here, and that'll print. You can print out certain sections of the manual if you need to. You can also search. And that'll go through terminals of the ECU, for example. This is all searchable. I made the document all searchable, so you can use your Control F. All right, click the link below to download the manual instantly, and after the transaction is completed, please check your spam folder or junk folder.